Chili loves her raisins. Now she's inspecting James to see if there's any more. Nope, no more. I'll just eat this one.
And now it's gone.
You want to open that up and put her dust bath in, and we'll...
Yeah. Sure thing.
She sure loves her dust bath. Sometimes she jumps in before he even gets a chance to put it all the way in the cage.
No.
Yay, dust bath! This, we go ahead and leave it open so I can get a good video. This is a chinchilla dust bath.
Yes, I'm looking at you.
Now, isn't that as cute as can be?
She is taking a video of Chili in her dust bath phase. Okay. Bye. Michelle, when you're done with your recording, she wants you to come back.
I think she wants to jump out. Oh, she's sniffing at me. Okay. All right, that's a chinchilla dust bath.